Subscribe to our channel for latest unboxings and tech reviews. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get all the updates in your inbox. What's up guys, today I'm going to show you the camera comparison between Huawei Mate 20 Pro and the iPhone XS Max. Both these phones are the most powerful devices from their respective companies. This comparison makes more sense because both these devices have an SoC built through the same technology. Where Apple has used its latest A12 Bionic chipset, Huawei has used its latest Kirin 980 SoC. Both these chipsets are built through the 7nm process, and these are the only two smartphones having this kind of chipset at the moment. The Mate 20 Pro comes with a triple camera system at the back. We have a 40 megapixel wide lens, 20MP ultrawide lens and an 8MP telephoto lens. On the front of Mate 20 Pro, we have a 24MP lens, while on the iPhone XS Max, we have a 12MP wide lens and a 12MP telephoto lens. It has only a 7MP camera on the front. Apple's iPhone XS Max has the latest neural engine to enhance the photography, and Huawei's Mate 20 Pro also uses the advanced image processing technology with the help of its Kirin 980 SoC. Let's go ahead now and check out the camera samples from both the devices. I have compared the phones in auto mode, portrait mode and all the other modes that are available on both the devices. My name is Usama, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's start the video now.